Reason why your peppers are taking forever to turn red on the vines, and sometimes you realize you have full-size green peppers and they're not turning red, especially your bell peppers. You think your bell peppers are stuck and maybe they're not turning red. I'm going to show you exactly the one thing that's causing this problem. One reason is this right here, this section right here. Between your leaves and the main stem, you're gonna have an extra growth point. This is called the side shoots that will grow between the leaves and the main stem. This is your biggest problem when you want to ripe a pepper plant. Before removing the side shoots on the pepper plants, you must understand this so you do not make any mistakes. Especially everybody gardening zone is different. Now, if you're living in a hot zone, you do not want to prune out all of the side shoots. If you're living in a zone where winter is coming, you want to prune out all of the side shoots. The side shoots will grow into another pepper plants, producing peppers over a long time. Lots of peppers, so you could get like maximum production, a big production. But if you're coming out to fall time, we cannot let that happen. Once the plant is growing in the side shoots, it takes away most of the energy in the side shoots and leaving all the big green peppers just basically stuck them right there. They're just gonna remain there for a long time until the side shoots are finally growing. That's why it's gonna take a long time. And if you're coming out to winter time, you do not want to let the side shoots grow because you're gonna stuck with all green peppers. Nothing is wrong with green peppers, but if we want to get that better ripe red flavors or even yellows or purple or whatever, you have to ripen them up on the vine. So if you live in a zone where you have a longer garden time and your plant is about 4 feet, remove 2 feet of the lower side shoots and leave the top. All the energy is going to focus on the top and it's going to continue growing at the top. All the peppers in the bottom is going to be ripened up and you're going to have a bigger production overall in a longer time. But if you're in Long Island, New York like me, we have to remove all of the side shoots. But I'm going to tell you something right now. When you remove all the side shoots, you have to come back every 2 to 3 days because pepper plants will keep producing side shoots non-stop and it will still take away the energy from ripening up your peppers. For example here, I remove all the side shoots. I even top off the plant. But come back here within another couple days. Look, you see we got a new sets of leaves right there, and this was a leaf. And as a main stem, that's another side shoot. We cannot let them continue growing. No way. If you're living in a long summer garden, you live in winter, you live in fall, wherever you're going to be experienced, remove all these baby leaves. Do not give them a chance to grow. They are going to distract all the energy from the plant. You see this one right here? It's ready. Look at this. Look at the bottom. You see at the bottom, it's not fully ripened up at the bottom, but this is what I like. This is how I like to harvest my peppers. Semi-ripened right here. This is 3/4 way. This here, the pepper's more crunchy and delicious. Trust me, and you leave this on your countertop, it will ripen up within 2-3 days. It lasts a longer time. By harvesting this right now, our plant's gonna use more energy to ripen up this one. Instead of using energy to ripen up this one, it will grow the smaller one and ripen up the other one faster. Here, look. We got lots of little leaves that are gonna grow, and these are the cow horn. You gotta pick them. Look at them. You have to harvest these peppers. You want to make sure relieve the energy from the plant. Let the plant keeps growing. The other green one, turn them ripes and grow all the small ones. You have to pick them. But what I did, I topped off so much growing point here, but you could see, look, they're still growing here, these small one right here. If you have flowers and they're coming on to winter time, this is not gonna make it. It just takes away the energy from the plant because look, we have smaller ones have to grow and they have to turn ripe. And now look, we have some ripe ones. So what do? We pick them. We cannot wait too long. That one just fell. We cannot, even if they're orange, look, go ahead and pick them. They're red. Any question, comment below. I always try to answer your question, and follow my tips and ripen up all of your peppers right on the vine. Trust me, it works without damaging your plants. And please don't forget to click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Every time you do that, it's 100% free. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away, and it helps on my channel a lot. I do appreciate it. My channel is growing, and it's like keeping my finger crossed. One of these days I'm gonna hit 100,000 subscribers at least. I appreciate everyone so much who's been supporting me. Really, thank you so much. As I said, it's been crazy. Getting back to school. Kids are back into school next week. Can't even believe it. I feel like fall weather's kicked in, coming up in the night and the morning now. The garden, it's all cleaning going on right now, but we got a lot of fall crops coming up, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. I've been harvesting watermelon and cantaloupe non-stop. All right.